Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This is evening of Thursday, the 19th day of June 2025. The wickedness in Nigeria is real, is pure, undiluted wickedness. Now, this video is all about unmasking the wickedness in Nigeria. There was a protest today in Benue State. The people who are protesting are the victims of the Benue massacre. They are the victims that their family, their loved ones have left. They have burned down their houses. The president visited there. They did all their gimmicks to deceive people. Now, the people are now facing rejection. What do I mean by rejection? It is all over in the news that the Yelwata victims protest diversion of relief materials meant for IDPs. Says children are starving. Let me tell you, let me be raw on this. If the government are not responsible for wiping the people of Benue away, why would they divert their food? Not only diverting their food because, Nigerians don't keep their mouth shut. Because when I saw the protest, I said, what is happening? I just picked up my phone. I started talking with, some of my friends. What is going on in your state? What is happening? One person allegedly told me that their food was diverted to terrorists, was diverted to bandits. You might say, oh, this is just a mere allegation. It's unconfirmed report. But let us reason. Let us reason. An attack happened. No arrest was made. More than 200 people were killed. Houses were burned down. It took Very Dark Man and Pope Leo for the awareness to be created very well. The government shamefully went there. Even the governor asked them not to defend themselves. And at the end, the relief material meant for these people was diverted to the same people that killed them. The agenda to wipe these people away is pure. I said it before that Benue have been sold. It has been sold out. People don't still understand. Tell me, what is the essence of diverting, starving children, starving mothers? Upon their grief, they are being starved. What is their crime? No, what is their crime? Their crime is that these people were born and brought up in Nigeria. And I'm going to tell you this for free. If you know anyone who is around this area that things are happening, please send them relief material, send them money. If you can do that, do it. Because the world don't have pity for the weak ones. Don't ever try to be weak. Don't ever try to be weak on earth. Not only in Nigeria. There is no law in the world. It's only interest. It pains me that a lot of people don't understand how the world is going. We are living in a crazy world. There is no law. What we have is interest. What is the interest of your governor? What is the interest of the government? They will allow these people to continue to kill you. The diversion of food to these people is a clear sign that governments are happy that these people are really suffering, that these people are being killed. They are happy. They don't want to go. Even though they talk verbatim, they just talk on social media for people to say, oh, they have ordered the arrest of them. Insecurity matter is nothing you do with your words. It is action. We were expecting that if Nigeria is supposed to be a country like others, it is the arrest or the killing of these people that people will hear that they are taking action, not coming to television to tell people that we are going to take action. Then the CDS, which is the Chief of Defense Staff in Nigeria, is still saying, in my own opinion, in other words, they don't even know what is going on in Nigeria. In my own opinion, just look at people protesting. How why? You see the reason why I'm telling every other people in Nigeria, every state in Nigeria, get ready for what to come. Nobody is going to save you. When it will happen, you will know that your governor is a puppet. When it will happen, you will know that even that your governor, you are thinking that yes, you will know, discover that he just wear a mask to deceive you people. They are answerable to a shrine somewhere. But that is for another day. Now, what does the report say? Apart from the allegation, this is a serious allegation that the food meant for the people is now being diverted to the bandits. But how do we confirm this? How do we know whether it's true or not? But we really want to know, where is that food? Where do they divert it to? That is the question. Not saying no, it's not diverted to the bandits. No problem. Where is the food now? Why do they divert it? Anyway, let's run through this article to really understand what transpired. It reads that Benue killings, Yelwata victims protest diversion of relief materials meant for IDPs, says children are starving. It continues that aggrieved internally displaced persons from the killings in Yelwata, Benue State have blocked the busy road near the Makode International Market. These people don't have fear any longer. The fear is gone. Because what are they going to be afraid of? Their people are already gone. Now, they are alleging the diversion of relief materials donated to ensure their survival after the Gore incident. The protests who took to the streets of Makode decried worsening condition of their camp, alleging hunger, neglect, and the diversion of relief materials meant for their survival. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm telling you? We are living in a crazy world. We are living in a crazy world. Just imagine if you are in their situation. I know you will say, God forbid, but those people are still humans. May Nigeria not happen to you. According to the protest IDPs, at least 2 people recently died in the camp due to starvation and the deterioration health environment. Do you understand where I'm coming from, why I am angry? That 2 people died in the IDP camp because no food. So after you people sent terrorists to raise down their houses, you refuse to carry food to them. After you send terrorists to go and kill them, you refuse to carry food for them. I am just saying this for most of you. Most of you, I'm sorry to use the word morons, who think that, oh, one day Nigeria can become a better place. Not when your government are in charge of your predicament. Your government are in charge of your pains. Your government are in charge of your disruption. And you are here saying, oh, Nigeria is going to be better one day. I am laughing. I'm laughing because you don't understand. Now, it continues that, this is what they said in quote, there is no food, our children are starving, we sleep on the floor and mosquitoes are almost killing us. A female protester said, holding up a placard. We are suffering and people are dying. Earlier, at least 100 persons were killed in Yelwata, with many still missing. Amnesty International, in a strongly worded statement, said the horrifying killing of over 100 people by gunmen that invaded Yelwata from late Friday into the early hours on Saturday shows the security measures government claimed to be implementing in the state are not working. Anyway, the article continues. Let me stop the article here. This is so painful. It's not acceptable. Anyway, look at the protest on the street.
you. They have blocked the roads and international markets. They have blocked the roads. No passing by. This is inside international markets. International market road in front of international markets. They live. Two people died inside the international market, and the people are saying they are not getting enough food. Food is being taken away in trucks in the night when people come to donate food for them.